This is Solomon Davis, Right Side Trader. Today is December 2nd, 2023, and this is my weekly market review, where I'm reviewing S&P 500 on a quarterly chart, monthly chart, weekly chart, and a daily chart. This is all for educational purposes only, no trade recommendation. As we all know, trading is risky. You can lose money at trading, so please check with your financial advisor, please check with your significant other, and make sure trading is something that is actually suitable for you. No trade recommendations here, even though I do talk about numbers and levels and all that kind of stuff. Just taking a look at the market and seeing what it's doing. Let's just jump right over here to the chart and see what we see. Maximize this quarterly chart and take a look here. We came up here to this R1 level, kissed it, and backed a little bit. So that lets me know this thing does want to go up. So we'll be looking at this on the smaller time frames and see what's happening. But at this here, I know will be a resistance level company with the supply back over here to the left. So we got to see, are we going to do it? I think we did make yearly highs. What was the high on this candle right here? 46.07. And what we get here? Oh, not quite. Only 45.99. So we didn't quite make yearly highs yet. So we got to kind of like wait and see what's going to happen this week and the rest of the December. But like I said, I think we will make yearly highs. The question is, will we make all-time highs? And let's go down here to the monthly chart and start zooming in a little bit here and see what we see. On the monthly chart, we can see we do have room to go up to an R2 level. So that means that we will make yearly highs, but the question is, will we make all-time highs with that R2 level being below, that all-time high? So that's what I see here on the monthly chart. We are definitely bullish. We just got to see what's happening. But this is a place to be very, very, very careful. If you're not already long, this is not the point to be getting long, because you're approaching a supply. Don't play the breakout, fake out. If you can play it up. No trade recommendation. Forget about trading. All right, let's go down to the weekly chart and see what we see there. On the weekly chart, you can see here, we're in this area. It's my personal cloud that I call it. And we're in that area here trying to make highs and yearly highs at this time. But we're fighting a little supply over here, and we saw that bigger supply that we had on the larger time frame. This is just a supply back here in August that we are getting kind of like above and fighting that. And we should get across that this week if that supply doesn't come in there crazy and start slamming this market down. We got to kind of like just wait and see. That's why I say you got to be careful when you're trading at a top. It's one of the, for a bullish trader, it's the worst place to be, in my opinion. I like getting in down here at the bottom, riding it up. Then I get out. I usually get out early, and then it goes up a little bit more. And I'm okay with that because I've made my money all the way up to that point. Forget about trading. Forget about what I'm talking about there. Let's get back over here to the chart. Let's zoom in here on the daily chart and look at the daily noise. On the daily noise, you can see we had a little bit basing here, then a little rally, slow rally. And you can see, on the first part of the week, we were kind of basing going in from last week to this week. It was basing a little bit. It tried to go up. It crossed this R1 and came back down. And again, it went, it's been staying in between our pivot and our R1, and finally on Friday we did get a close above that R1 on the weekly chart and at an R2. So it looks like we do want to go higher. We're going to see what's going to happen next week. We're going to be opening it above the pivot, and look out, we're going higher. We're going to be making yearly highs, and just to see if we're going to be making all-time highs. And that's all I really want to share. This is Solomon, Right Side Trader. I'll talk to you guys later. Have a good one. Bye.